dad bought this backpack for me and I decided to do a review on it because I found it a really good use. I made this video for anyone who is interested in a backpack suitable for your 17 to 18-inch laptop. So let's get started. On the very front here, there's a pocket where I would put my cable inside. On the second back, there's a huge space. And on the side here, there's a portable charger connector, so that way I don't need to take out the portable charger when I am connecting and I can just plug it on my phone. And since this is a huge space in here, I would put my pencil case in here and my book in here. And because this is a huge space, I can also put a really huge jacket. On the top, I would put my phone in here. Then finally, at the back, this is where I would put my 18-inch laptop. And I could also put my tablet in here. And this backpack at the back has an anti-thief pocket, so that way I could put my wallet in here. So this was the backpack I reviewed today. The link is down below from where I bought it. If you're interested, just go check it out.